Find the complete solution of the linear system or show that it is inconsistent. X minus y minus z equals 4, 2y plus z equals negative 1, negative x plus y minus 2z equals 5. The goal is to turn this system of equations into an equivalent triangular system. We can do this by performing a series of rows operation. We're allowed to multiply any equation by a non-zero number. We can add a row, which is an equation, to another equation to obtain an equivalent equation. We can multiply one equation with a non-zero number and add it to the other equation. And so those are the possible row operations that we can perform to a system of equations. In this case, we observe that the first equation has 1x and the third equation has negative x. So we will add the two equations to obtain an equivalent system. X minus y minus z equals 4, we keep it. 2y plus z equals negative 1, we also keep it for now. But if we take the first equation, add to the second equation, then we have x plus negative x is 0x. Negative y plus y is 0y. And negative z plus negative 2z is negative 3z. And on the other side of the equal sign, 4 plus 5 is 9. This system is now in the triangular form, so we can use back substitution to solve this. The last equation implies that z equals 9 over negative 3, so that z equals negative 3. This is part of the solution. We then use back substitution and plug this into the previous equation, which is 2y plus z equals negative 1, but z is negative 3. Isolating y, we have 2y minus 3 equals negative 1, 2y equals negative 1 plus 3, or positive 2, so y equals 1. This is a part of the solution. We then use back substitution using these two to plug them into the first equation, which states that x minus y minus z equals 4, but y is 1 and z is negative 3. This negative and this negative are part of the equation. Simplifying this, we have x minus 1 plus 3 equals 4. X plus 2 equals 4, so that x equals 4 minus 2, which is 2. The solution to the system of three linear equations of three variables is a triplet where x is 2, y is 1, z is negative 3. It is an ordered triplet. We can check the solution after. The first equation, x is 2, y is 1, z is negative 3. So this is 2 minus 1, which is 1. 1 minus negative 3 is positive 4. The first equation checks out. The second equation, 2 times 1, which is 2, plus negative 3, which is negative 1, checks out. And the last equation, negative 2 plus 1, which is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 2 times negative 3. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. It checks out as well.